Diamond Facial Kit, your ultimate solution for glowing, youthful skin. Ideal for normal to dry skin. This 4-step facial kit is designed to target pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, and give your skin that perfect radiant glow. Let me walk you through the steps for a spa-like experience at home. Step 1. Start by cleaning your face thoroughly. Then take a small amount of diamond scrub and massage gently for 4 to 5 minutes. This will exfoliate your skin, remove dead cells, and unclog pores. For best results, use a blackhead extraction tool to remove any stubborn blackheads and whiteheads. Finish this step by applying the complementary toner to balance your skin's pH and refresh your face. Step 2. Take a small amount of Diamond Nourishing Cream and massage it into your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. For an extra boost, mix a little raw milk with the cream. This will hydrate your skin while promoting a radiant, youthful glow. Step 3. Now apply the diamond face pack generously and leave it on for 15 minutes. As it works its magic, it will deeply nourish and brighten your skin. Afterward, gently wipe it off and follow up with the diamond lotion to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and hydrated. And there you have it, smooth, glowing, and rejuvenated skin with